Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Time to check out a couple of more aggressive growth stocks now with Bill Wilton, our aggressive growth stock strategist at Zacks.com. And one stock in this category that you've written about recently is INSU Technologies, INSU, the ticker symbol. They do work in the mining industry.
Well, what they actually do is provide rehab and environmental solutions for the pipelines that go along with a lot of mining problems. You got your energy, wastewater, sewage, things like that.
I see.
So as these pipelines are getting older, we need to do something with them. So they help out those companies, providing a good way for them to take care of the problem and, upkeep those types of pipelines so that they don't become a problem in the end.
Got it.
They reported their quarterly results on the 25th of February. They actually beat by 4 cents with earnings per share coming in at 41 cents. They saw their operating income jump 53%, so it was a very good year for them. And they've got a huge backlog of contracts right now, just a bit under their record high, but it's nearing $500 million, which is great for a company of this size. The other thing I really liked about this story was that their management was looking for the most profitable year in history for 2010. So they're obviously have a bullish outlook on the near-term future. Another great thing about them, their growth rates are coming in at a pretty solid value. The PEG ratio is just under 1.0, which is what we're looking for. And you can see that the current year estimates are quite a bit higher than the earnings per share that they saw last year.
Okay.
And the most important part, the share price is going up. You can see that this chart is headed into the upper right-hand corner of the graph, which is what we like to see. They had a big jump on that earnings report. Volume's doing well, and the momentum's there. So all in all, everything's looking pretty good for them.
All right. And then on the 3rd of March, you wrote about Cardtronics Incorporated. No, they're not in the video poker business. ATMs is what they specialize in.
Yeah, they're the largest non-bank owner of ATMs in the world. They own over 30,000 ATMs. You can see them at places like 7-Eleven, Costco, CVS, a lot of popular places they have agreements with. They reported their quarterly results on February 11th. They saw a nice increase of about 6% in their revenue to $125 million. Their earnings per share came in at 17 cents, which was a bit disappointing because analysts were looking for 18 cents, but they still had a record year as far as revenue and some other metrics go. And they were able to use the strong cash flow to strengthen their balance sheet, which bodes well for the upcoming year. And actually, that is really what I like about this. It's not so much that they missed by a penny, it's that everything looks good going forward. The other nice thing is you can see the estimates were soon to follow after that. We're looking for 77 cents a share this year, which is up significantly from what they actually reported last year. The chart, not quite as pretty as the last one. You can see that they dropped off sharply on the quarterly number because they did miss. But given that strong balance sheet, I think that this drop in price gave them a good value. Their estimates are trending in the right direction. And you can see that since I've written about them, they've actually already started to rebound. And we've got that nice momentum that you're seeing with the MACD crossover in the bottom right-hand corner. That's usually a buy signal for a lot of momentum-based investors and traders.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, do you expect that stock price to rebound anytime soon?
Yeah, and it's looking like it's on the right track right now.
All right. Do you own either of these two?
I do not.
Check out more Zacks Rank Buy stock pick ideas for your consideration on our homepage at Zacks.com. Over in the upper right-hand corner of our homepage is where we post 4 new stock pick ideas for you daily, 1 in each of the investing categories that we write about, and Bill's category, Aggressive Growth, is no exception. With Bill Wilton, I'm Terry Ruffalo.